This is a Century Communities Plan Brazos. Filmed here at Willow Trace in spring. It's on a corner lot, cul-de-sac. It's like an empty field right over there. But let's go inside and take a look. And it's still under construction, but they're almost done. All right, so this is a 4-bedroom home. They're putting in the home run. This is bedroom 1. This is a bathroom, granite. Bedroom 2. Here's bedroom 3. And inside this bedroom has its own bathroom. Check that out. Granite. Right outside is the coat closet. Here's the garage. 2-car garage. Tankless water heater, garage door opener. There's a sprinkler system right there. This is a big kitchen. Plenty of serving area. You can get some stools underneath here. Here's the pantry. So your dining area will be right under here. And this living room over there. And here's the 4th bedroom, which is the master. Separate tub shower. Dual sink. Toilet has a door. Here's the master closet. It's big. And then you can actually leave here and go to the utility room. So the washing machine and dryer will go here. And you come on out. Got a covered back patio. No neighbor there, no neighbor there. That's a street, little green belt behind there. Look at this yard. Oh, this thing is huge. There's a stub out right there for gas. Check that out. That's it. So this is a Plan Brazos. It's still under construction, but I at least want to get a video on it. And if you have any questions about it, let me know.